Okay, here I have a triangle, not just any triangle, but it's a regular polygon. It's a regular triangle. Okay? It's a regular triangle, which means all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. Everybody got that? So I'm going to make this pretty easy on us. What are, let's do this. Let's ungroup it, just so I can change the lengths of the sides. So what are the angles inside of here then? If it's a regular triangle, how many degrees is that? That's 60, and that's 60, and that's 60. Okay, watch what I'm going to do here. Okay, watch carefully. I'm going to take this, I'm going to just extend this side out right there. Okay, I'm going to do that to all three sides. I'm going to take this side, I'm going to extend that out. Then I'm going to take this side, and I'm going to extend that side out. Alright, you with me on that? So watch, if this is 60 degrees, how many degrees is this? This is called an exterior. The 60 is an interior, and this exterior is 120 degrees. Okay, what's this exterior angle right here? And this one, 120. Okay. Of course, if all the angles inside of there are going to be equal, then all the exterior angles are going to be the same, aren't they? Because you're taking the same number away from 180. Does that make sense? Okay. Add up the exterior angles, see what you get. You don't get 180, do you? If you add up the interiors, you'll always get 180. But if you add the exterior angles, guess what you're always going to get? 360. Okay, that works with any type of polygon. Really, doesn't even have to be regular. But all the exterior angles, no matter what kind of polygon it is, all the exterior angles. If I take the sides and extend them all out, it's always going to equal 360 degrees. So watch. The sum of the exterior, almost put angle symbol first. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon equals what? 360 degrees. So I don't have to go through that whole thing where I take something away from 2 and multiply it by 180 and all that kind of thing. The sum of all the exterior angles, no matter how many sides you have, you could have 1,000 sides. Okay, 1,000 sides, is that right? Okay. You can have 1,000 sides, but if you add up all the exterior angles are going to add up to 360 degrees. Let's do another one just to, I don't know if it'll convince you or not, but what kind do you want? Pentagon? Alright, let's see if I can draw a pentagon. I think, oh wow, that's huge. Okay, a nonagon. I think I can change the, come on, if I can grab that thing. Where is it? There it goes. I think I can change, I haven't done this. Shh, guys, please. Select, nah. Maybe up here, object. Is there a thing that says something about changing the lengths of the, or how many sides I have? I know I've done this before, I just, what? Size? No. Select the object filter. Alright, if I don't see this very soon, convert to shape. See anything here? Guys, let's look up here. I'm trying to get this to be like 5 sides. I think there's a thing on here that says something about change like how many sides you have or something like that. I know it's in here somewhere. I'm just gonna have to find it on my own. It could be in here. Do you see that anywhere? Any of these? No.
Slice.
No. It's not. Oh well, that's okay. We'll just stick with this. Nah, that wasn't it. Now, there's a thing that says something about finding... I know I am wasting time. I gotta stop. Okay, so watch this. The problem is... I don't think I can ungroup this and change one of those. Alright, let's just do it like this. I'll try to make that straight. So I take that side, I extend it, take this side, I extend it. Alright, I'm going to extend this side. Now, why am I extending these sides? Because I'm trying to find a what? The exterior angle. Very good. Okay, take that and take that one, right? Yeah, take that. Oh, my goodness, what am I doing? There we go. Let's try this one more time. And we'll be almost done if I can get this thing to... Anyway, that's close enough. There we go. right, let's do this. This is 6 sides. We just figured out how many, it's a 6-sided, what do you call it, polygon. Okay, it is a hexagon, you're absolutely right, but it's 6-sided. So how many angles, or how many degrees is each of these? What do we do? If it's 6 sides, we go 6 minus 2, which is 4, times 180, which is 720, and 720 divided by 6 is 120. So that's 120 degrees right here. We're kind of going backwards what we did before, but that's okay. Watch. If that's 120, what's this? 60. What's this exterior? How many exteriors are we going to have? There's 6 sides, so there's 6 angles. So, I was seeing if you were paying attention. Okay, watch. So what do all the exterior angles add up to be? 360 again, don't they? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 60 is 360 degrees. Does that work? Yeah, absolutely. You could keep doing this if you wanted to with as many sides as you want. All right? All the exterior angles add up to be 360 degrees. Yeah. If it's a regular polygon, okay? It has to be a regular polygon to be able to find each exterior angle, okay? So if I said, watch this. If I said, well, let's just go with this. Watch. If I said that there were 6 sides, let's pay attention, guys. If I said that there were 6 sides and I wanted you to find each exterior angle, okay, without finding the interiors, you could do that, couldn't you? You could say what? 360 divided by what? 6. If there's 6 sides, there's 6 angles. 360 divided by 6 is what? 60 degrees. That's the exterior angle. If the exterior angle is 60, what's the interior going to be? 120. Because look, the interior and the exterior are what to each other? What's the word? Come on, pay attention up here. They're supplementary, right? They're supplementary. So if the exterior is 60, the interior is going to be a supplement, right? So 180 minus 60 is 180. You could do that with any sides that you wanted. Let's do one. Let's say we had 8 sides, which is a what? Octagon. Okay, so if we had 8 sides, let's find the exterior angle, each exterior angle. So I'd go 360 divided by 8. Caitlin, help me out on this. 360 divided by 8. 35? Yeah. 45, right. That's what I thought. Okay, 45 degrees. Now, how would I find the interior angle? If I know the exterior is 45 degrees, right, because that would be the exterior, would be 45, what would the interior angle be? It would just be what? Take that away from 180, and that's 135. Okay, so there's a couple ways you could find each interior angle. You could have gone 8 minus 2. Let's do that real quick. 8 minus 2 times 180. You could have done it that way. So that's what? 6 times 180. And what's 6 times 180? It's 135. Okay? I'm sorry. Now it's a big number. 1080. And then divide by, no, 8, because there's 8 sides. Now that'll give you 135. That was actually a little bit of work to do, wasn't it? It's actually a little easier to find the exterior angle. You see that? Find the exterior angle, 360 divided by how many sides you have, and then take that away from 180, and bang. You got the exterior and you got the interior with just basically doing 2 steps. All right? This is a little bit more complicated because you had to go 8 minus 2. Not that 8 minus 2 is that hard, but it's still a step. All right? So 6 times 180, you get a big number. You got to divide that by 8. You get this. Then you still have to take that away from 180 to get the 45. So I think it's easier. If you want to find the interior angle, is to find the exterior angle first. Once you find the exterior angle, just take it away from 180, and you've got the interior. Make sense? All right, let's see if we can do an example before time runs out. Okay, real quick. This is not hard at all. What are all of these angles that are marked right here? They're all what type of angles? Exterior angles. Now remember, we said the sum of the exterior angles, it doesn't have to be of a polygon, but the sum of all the exterior angles is what? 360. So what are you going to do with all this stuff? Yeah, so 139 plus what? Let's do this in our head. What's that? 15, 16, 17, is that right? Plus 17x equals 360. Okay, help me out, calculator. 17x equals, what's that? That's 5, that's 4, that's 224, is that right? Divided by 17, 224 divided by 17 is 13.1. Okay. Now watch, if it asks you to find each of the angles, you could do that, couldn't you? If they labeled it, you could put that in here. Let me give you an assignment. Now look, It's up here on the corner of my table. Just go ahead and put your homework up there, and then I'll write this down. This is section 6.1, and it's pages 394, 395. Now this is a little bit of work. I know it's almost Christmas, but it's not there yet. So today and tomorrow we're going to do quite a bit of work. All right. So it's 12 to 37. Okay. 394, 395, 12 to 37. Merry Christmas.
That's our early Christmas.